promise Santa's got.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Hi guys, this is not nice. This girl has a car and has refused to drive the car. I don't know how to drive. I don't even know how to use your car. She has refused to drive her car, and her house is literally very close to this place.
I don't know how to drive.
You know how to drive. She has she has gone to a driving school.
I don't know.
But she's so scared of driving. And this is the only way. This is literally the only way. If you cannot start learning to drive from here to there, then when do you want to enter the whole road, the main road?
2025.
Good. Let's start with the inner roads.
Oh, everything.
Major, it's a lie.
Let's leave for 2025.
No, never. Reverse. I'll drive the car back, but you will take us there. If not, we will not see what is happening in your house today. Yeah, reverse. Your leg on the brake. Take it to R. This way. You're going this way. Keep releasing your hand. Release it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Then you take it back. Take it back. Take it back.
Should I brake?
No. Brake a bit. Brake a bit. Brake a bit.
I'm not going to with you. I'm going to do it. Oh my God. I didn't prepare for this.
Then stop. Keep going. You go this way.
This
Put
guy,
your head
please
there.
don't scare me.
Okay guys, so the dining is here. this frame is supposed to be blocking that window, but I'm considering just putting a curtain there instead. It's just that I contacted my curtain guy and he said that you know, this material isn't available at the moment, so I may have to still put the whole frame thing there. But right now, this is what we're working with for the dining. Food court sent me abacha just to let me know that they have added it to their sites. What are the odds that this is going to be the first meal I'll be having on this dining? Everything is just perfect. This is what it looks like. Let me open it.